I almost went over my handlebars when I went down that hill, so make sure you're all the way back on the seat. Hey Vicky, why don't you let Joel do that?
I can do it.
Here's the thing. Hey Joel, that goes down like that. So you gotta kind of stay on the throttle to have the front wheels bring you along. Joel, if anything, I'd take it right here. Can you take it down here? I took this way, but this is better.
This is better?
This right here. There you go, man. You got it. Nice. I got you.
You okay?
Oh yeah, I got you.
You won't much. Water. I got it.
You got it?
I don't care. It's water, baby.
Lean back, Glenn.
Really?
Yeah, oh yeah.
That bad?
Lean back. Let me come and spot you back, all right?
Hang on, I'm gonna go back a little bit.
Yeah, let me just make sure the back end of the ATV doesn't get in front
Okay, I
of you.
just want to feel it. That's the thing.
Yeah, just what I would do is hit it straighter on.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do is hit it a little. Well, see, I'm gonna go down a little big hump. Two humps,
Okay,
right where I'm lined up.
all right.
Okay, ready?
Go slow and lean back. And don't hit the front brake.
Don't hit the front brake.
Don't hit the front brake.
Really? Just let it go?
Well, hold on a second. See, right now you're in.
I'm in fourth gear.
All right, yeah, just go very slow. We got it. That was easier than it looked. Nice job. Yep. Didn't that feel like the back end gets a little light on you?